Hi guys, Sagar this side. I will be presenting Neeland instead of Miss Nap. Before we proceed, thank you for having us here today. And I will start with a quick intro. Myself, Sagar. I am product strategy head at Neeland.com. And before we dive into what Me Group is about, let's first understand what are the challenges that customers are today facing in Vietnam market and how we are trying to build a digitalization in real estate. Uh, Let me quickly share my screen with you all. Yeah. So when we consider real estate in Vietnam, there are two broad customer and user segment that we see. One is buyer side and another is seller side. So from the buyer side, the problem arises when they start looking out for a property. Although we do have very good PropTech solutions in the market, but we see that there are a lot of issues that they face in terms of first legal paperwork, getting cycling payments and mortgage solutions that do exist in the market, but they don't have proper knowledge about it. Then how to search and find the relevant properties, how the unit selection has to be done, how to look after the land usage of a particular property. So these are the problems that buyers are facing today in the market. At the same time, sellers and brokers and owners of the properties are not able to first sell fast. They are not able to find the relevant targeted audience for their products. There is lack of data analytics, which basically leads to little understanding about how to reach out to the particular target customers, how to find the relevant advertising solutions so that they can reduce their cost of reaching out to the relevant audience. So that's where Meland and Me Group comes in. Me Group is an ecosystem of 26 different real estate specific products, which are backed by AI technology, blockchain, and data analytics. We do have very strong acquisition and specifically lead acquisition and stock management solutions. And we capitalize on solving these issues for brokers, buyers, as well as sellers. With our solutions, what we did and what we focus on is first cost reduction. Second is to make sure that we co-create our solutions with the customers. So for every single product that we do have in our ecosystem, we first do market research. We first understand what are the ground issues that people are facing. And then we do asset analysis. And then we come up with our solutions that I'm going to go through in coming slides. So our ideology is how to digitalize real estate. At the same time, we do understand that there are different stakeholders in the market having individual problems that cannot be solved by one single product. So that's where Me Group comes in. We are an ecosystem of 26 different products which are targeted towards different customer problems. And our solutions are driven by three major futuristic technologies, which is AI, data analytics, and third, where we are trying to build our solution, that is AR and VR. The more data, and as we all know, the more data we have, the more challenges come into to understand how we can interpret data, how we can generate insights, how we can help our end users to come up with solutions of those insights that we are generating for them. So on the basis of the data that we compile on our 26 different products, we have analyzed different buying and selling trends that basically help customers to do intent-based buying or intent-based selling on the platforms. We also develop insights on pricing, historical data. Also, we look at historical pricing for a particular geography. We also look at home value trends. So what is the potential value for a particular neighborhood? Let's say if we are considering Hanoi, what was the pricing of a particular geography 5 years back, where it is now, and then we do predictive analysis and understand where it is going to go in the coming months and in coming years, so that a person can make right choice in doing the investment. So if you see our products, we have basically formulated 26 different products targeting different solutions. We have products which are into banking solutions. We do have products which are into, let's say, ERP and CRM modules. We do have products that are solving advertising solutions for real estate. So the core products that we do have at Meland, they use combination of search and discovery tools, which generally focus on intentional search, which is very new today in the market, where you analyze how users and consumers are searching on your platform. And then you recommend the choices that they are looking for on the basis of their history, on the basis of their intent, on the basis of their geography, on the basis of the price point that they are looking for. Then our products are heavily supported by AI, and we also provide virtual property views to our audience. Talking about our core products, Meland.com is our forte right now, where we have focused our energy and efforts, which is a listing platform which is solving customer problem in terms of first intentional search, and second in terms of connecting brokers directly with the customers. Then we have integrated Meland with two other advertising solutions, which is MePage and MeAd, which are targeted towards building advertising solutions for owners as well as for brokers in the market, because they are not able to analyze whether a particular property they are posting is targeted towards the right customer or not. Where we find blockchain as one of our technique to solve the issues that end users and suppliers are facing right now. Then we do have a solution, MeCRM, which is expecting to record somewhere around 100,000 interactions per week in coming months. We are focused on 5 basic modules for CRM, which I'm going to touch upon in coming slides. So starting with MeMap, after the implementation, we have found that there is 60% improvement in customer buying effectiveness because we are solving a core problem in the market. We do have unique value proposition where customers can interact on maps and see what is the geographical and historical data trend as well as pricing trend for a particular property. So we do precise planning information on the platform. We do provide a smart experience where they can simply search on the information. They look after land use planning. They look after properties. They look after nearby hospitals and let's say schools in the vicinity of the geography where they are looking out for an investment to make. Plus, we make use of advanced technologies where we apply GIS solutions for smart experience. And if you have to see the original, the version that we are trying to create is to make sure that the online search for real estate becomes smoother and it is information driven. In terms of features, so we are still in novice stage where we are trying to come up with the solutions that we can integrate with MeMap, specifically B2B solutions that are going to take a lot of problems that government of Vietnam right now is trying to solve through their land use department. So we first and foremost, we can look out for the land use planning. So we can zoom in and look after, okay, if I have to buy a particular property, what was the historical trend, whether that property is allowed by the government for the commercial use or whether it comes under residential use. So we can see all those planning under land usage. Second is we can have different layers. So I can measure the distance, let's say from a school, from a hospital, and that's very much interactive, which costs you a lot if a particular owner of the property or real estate agent goes to the government department and get all these information. Apart from that, the positioning and view post around plus measuring the distance and satellite layers is an additional benefit that a customer or a user can see on the platform. And third and foremost, which we have tried to do with MeMap is to integrate it with the listing platform, just to provide a holistic experience to our users. So a property, so just to give an example, if a real estate agent want to register their property, they can directly go on MeMaps. They can list their properties over there, which will be reflected on Meland.com, which will provide a holistic integrated solution to the suppliers, thus solving a problem of reaching out to relevant audience on different platforms in Vietnam. Coming to MeCRM, it's a customer management solutions. We have found that there is a huge laggard in the market from from the point of view of a broker or real estate agent, if you consider real estate market in Vietnam, it's still traditional. There is not much of digitalization being done in the market. So what we have done is to consolidate all the leads and stock management, customer management. Then we have built a few advertising solutions that are integrated on MeCRM, which will be reflected on all the other real estate solutions that we do have in the market in Vietnam. What we are expecting is somewhere around 80 to 90% lift in the stock management and ownership of the properties, and at the same time managing the internal stakeholders in the organization. So this is our value proposition for MeCRM, is first to have communication and lead interaction within the app. So if you have seen the real estate market in Vietnam, it is very much traditional. It involves too much of paperwork. So what we are doing is to digitalize it and to make sure that everything is backed by AI and data analytics. Or if they are flexible with Zalo or other messenger, they save it over there. So what we have built is a simple solution that will integrate the customers. And then we do data interpretation on the basis of, since we do have nearby 1 million users coming on our platform every single month. So we analyze, okay, these are the users, what they are doing on the platform, what are they looking for. We do intent search after that. And that's where we build our continuous improvement solutions by executing lean, Kanban and agile methods to make sure that the products are customized according to the needs of the customers. And we do continuous improvement with both of our stakeholders, that is brokers, suppliers, as well as buyers. So this is where our sales and marketing team comes into play with the product. So that is what we are doing with Me Group. It's a very big vision. That is to solve all the real estate problems that do exist in the market by having 26 different products. Thank you for having us here. And if you do have any doubts and if you want to reach out to us, please reach out to us at chung@meland.com. Thank you guys for having us here.